say you're trying to earn some extra income, particularly online, and you heard that so many different companies promising to give you thousands and thousands of dollars simply by you joining with them, and you know that you're gonna just make this money as soon as you join. Correct? Wrong. What most don't tell you is that it takes a tremendous amount of work and lots of utilization of a lot of different strategies, tools and resources in order to propel you and build that momentum for you and guarantee that level of success online. Not to mention, on a monthly basis, there are so many different release of different applications and new strategies that guarantee you the same.
Wouldn't it be easier if someone would write your ads for you, send emails for you, create high converting sales funnels, provide you with traffic resources that is ready to go, create your own sales team that will close your leads. In addition, create engaging videos, even your very own success coach that will guide you through.
Well, the good news for you is this: I have recently come across a badass system that is really changing thousands and thousands of lives. And all I really have to say is finally someone has thought about the individuals who are busy, who really don't have the time. Individuals such as yourself, who would love to have an additional income stream but lack the time in order to really sacrifice, because we have so many different things going on. Because I actually even know of an individual, actual member within this particular program, who has made over $20,000, and the majority of the time he was actually on vacation.
No, yeah, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
I've been involved with this company since March of last year, and this company has truly been very good to me, and I trust that this will be your testimony also. Alright, so as I said, for further information, please go to the link in the description, fill out that information, and look at that 10-minute video. Look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Bless you.